Trailer Division 1. The team has worked very hard to be able to present this performance, and therefore we ask that you provide your undivided attention. This includes turning off all cell phones, beepers, or any other electronic device that may make noise and disrupt the performance. Also, before leaving, please be sure to check that you have all of your belongings and that you have removed any trash that might have been brought to the competition site. In the case of an unexpected alarm, the fire exits can be found here and back here behind me. The team does permit the use of flash photography, and videotaping will be allowed. Now I'm proud to present to you the team from East Hill Elementary. Judges, are you ready? Team, are you ready?
Let's go!
Team, begin.
Let's start making a pulled pork sandwich. This place will be packed by noon. It's the best pulled pork place in town. Last week I had an unusual patient that was diagnosed with the swine flu and a broken heart, which caused them to go into cardiac arrest. It all started down at Mozzarella's Deli. I had a patient that walked in, and this is what happened. They have a number 1 with extra pickles on the side, coming right up. First, let me put this toothpick in your sandwich to hold it together. Here you are. That'll be $4. Thank you very much. I can't wait to eat this sandwich. I'm hungry. On this sandwich, there was a lot more than pulled pork. My patient was completely unaware that something was wrong with their sandwich. Now the ant will be traveling to the esophagus. Muscles in the esophagus push food along. Now we will begin our adventure to the body. Road trip, yeah! Whoa, is this an earthquake? Why is it so dark in here? Oh my gosh, can someone turn on the lights? Where am I? Now the ant will be traveling to the heart. The heart is a hollow muscular organ that pumps blood to the arteries. What's that beating sound? Oh, that must be the heart beating too fast. Something must be wrong with it. Let's go check it out. Beep, beep. Excuse me, you're blocking the trail. I'm sorry, I'm not moving. You'll have to find another path. Are you okay or do you need help? Someone hurt my feelings, so I'm gonna run away. You can't run away. You have a purpose to serve. You can't tell me what to do. I'm sorry, I'm not going to put you under cardiac arrest. But I'll call my friends to cheer you up. All the beating hearts. 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 Your heart goes pum 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 pum. If you don't wash your hands, you get sick, sick, sick. You sure don't want to get the flu, flu, flu. Put your veins up, 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 up. If you like it and you want to eat healthy, if you like it and you want to eat healthy, put your veins up, put your veins up. Come on, everyone. If you like the digestive system, put your hands up. If you like the digestive system, put your hands up. Everything goes down the digestive system right back there. You are important because this body cannot function without you. There is nothing that can replace you. Thanks, that really touched my heart. Now I'm beating normal. Now the ant will be traveling to the stomach. Muscles in the stomach squeeze and mix food with juices.
nature trail for a walk. And now that I'm at the stage, I can infect the weak body.
Phew, it feels like an oven in here. At this time, my patient had a fever of 102 and quickly rising. This part of the nature trail's like a garbage can. There's bacteria all over the place. At this time, the white blood cells were planning their defense attack. The body has a wonderful way of defending itself. White blood cells protect the body from sickness and destroy germs. They also make chemicals that kill germs.
What's this mess? I'm going to need some help fighting these viruses. I can't possibly clean this environment up on my own. I'll need these viruses all up. Working on the body. All I live on this.
Now the ant will be traveling to the small intestine. The small intestine is an organ in the digestive system that has muscles that push food along. It is about 20 feet long. Whoa! This is the biggest maze I've ever seen. These squirms are making me sick. Oh no, I have a flat tire. I'm going to need to find a spare. Oh, this donut will work good. It'll make me get to the campground. Once the journey was over, the swine flu was gone, the body was no longer infected, and my patient was healthy again. Pum pum time!
All right. Woo. I think we definitely will. Yeah. I was watching the judges for a lot of it. They were, Can I record them to you?
Huh?
Go right up and record them too?
Oh,
I did a little bit last year.
I know they got to ask them the questions now. Thank you.
I think it was a hit.
They got to ask their questions.